Welcome to the Political Run with me, the voice right on Ghana and 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
When we were all here, even you don't want to do the same.
Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Let's start this political video by saying that I, Akosua Rockson, I do not belong to any political party. I do not belong to the party in power now. Dear Lydia Forson, I made a post about you this week. Then you came to reply with some screenshots of some of your posts you made on Twitter. Then I wrote in your comment section that is only about Galamsey. Lydia Forson, on the 24th of July 2022, you tweeted about tomatoes and onion, that the price has gone high. Now, you went to buy gas at 95 cedis and you tweeted about it. That is not all. The cedi is depreciating, fuel is skyrocketing. That was on the 19th of February 2022. The reason why I Akosua Rockson, I told you to speak about the other issues because when you were tweeting about tomatoes and onion, we still have tomatoes and onion issue now. Now even you were buying the tomatoes at 2 for 5 cedis. Now one is 10 cedis. But you haven't screenshot the tomatoes to post about it. So if I'm asking you to come with a clean hand because you were doing it previously and now you are not doing it again, I am not disrespecting you. You are being a hypocrite. That post you made that everything is being politicized. Go under the comment section and read the comments of Ghanaians. That should tell you how everybody is looking at you. You are asking me when I am a child. I know. That is how come I gave you the respect, but not even tarnishing your image or even insulting you. But the audacity of you telling me that I am a child. I am a child, so I don't pay tax. I am a child, so I don't buy tomatoes. I am a child, so I don't buy fuel. You could tweet about fuel prices. You could tweet about e-levy. Haven't you seen them increasing light? Or you haven't seen them increasing water? Have you tweeted about it? I asked you demurely, respectfully, that the reason why we are politicizing everything is because when you were vibrant in 2022, tweeting about tomatoes price, you were vibrant tweeting about gas price. Do you know how much is a 10 liter of gas now? Do you know how much is a cylinder? Why are you not tweeting about it anymore? You tweeted about Ghana. I'm saying, I told you, okay, I acknowledge that I didn't see your tweet. But I would like you to do more. I got some video and mommy said, if you are an elderly person and you don't respect yourself and you bring yourself to a level so that you won't enter the gutter, we'll enter the gutter with you. I respected you enough. Please. You have not tweeted about tomatoes. So when I ask you that I want to see more of it, there's nothing wrong for me to ask you as a so-called celebrity that I've not seen more of your tweet. Say Miakola. So what? I don't pay tax. Miakola, so I don't buy gas. I don't buy tomato that you are tweeting about those years. It is Ghana that everybody is a celebrity. So you guys think that people look up to you. If you're able to tweet about tomatoes, it's your tweet. You tweeted about tomatoes, onion, gas. You went to buy gas. You were angry about it. So that about e-levy. What happened now? You know they've increased gas? Or you don't know that they've increased electricity bill? Who is Akola? Please don't do that again. I respect you a lot. Don't let us go on this standard of this. It will not end well with you. You have a reputation to keep. You have a reputation to keep. So please, let's end it on a level of amicability. I didn't disrespect you in that video. You went to put my face there and I should run away. I should be afraid of you. I should apologize for what? Let me know what I have done and you want me to apologize for. I will apologize for it accordingly. Because I, Akosua Rockson, I didn't do anything wrong to you. I told you are not tweeting as vibrant as you were. You are not resilient as you were previously. That is it. And you were zealous doing feminist. The Chief Justice is being removed. What have you said about it? The Vice President is not there. What have you asked about it? All of a sudden, you don't know the things that are going on in this country. You need to screenshot onion and post on your Twitter account.
You know, I did a video to respond to someone here. I went to the length of getting screenshots, everything and posting it. And maybe someone will say, Lydia, you have work to do. Why are you doing this? Why are you trying to prove yourself to people? And do you know what happened? We posted, we see me deleting my edit view. And I accidentally deleted everything. Now, I didn't hear me, but when I think back, I realized that sometimes the way God works, if you're a person of faith, you have to understand how God works. Maybe I was not supposed to respond to that person. God is looking up at me and telling me that this is not it, Lydia. You can respond to many things, but just not this. I just want to apologize. I just want to apologize to anybody I may have offended with my opinion. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Because I'm sure I'll do it again.
Hospital, NIB hospital, 37. He's okay, he's doing well. He's almost a bail bond. 50 million bail bond. He's almost young. Party young business he's here at hospital. Yeah, this is your move change you for I said, man, I do my several cases now, one in Exim Bank, our G loan, I have several cases in your account. But one video now, AD now, and movie Alex Tete. Operations, special operations director, marketing. Or say the Akosua, on a shisha, on a coach, one baby, the feeling in a baby or should be on a chair, and the Akosua, what one man got for power. I'm more petitions, and Panko, Adiana on a grand scheme, but a rule of law, the law. Oh, yeah, people, baby, I will be and so to be banana. Now, who say a Jumano party of Jumano, so don't go down with that. And say, won't to me now, can I could do say, now, war a bed, Empire nearby. But you better catch him when you want some more Matiadan. In Mabuna, you many patrol, and Merano soon. Na ye ba bemu ni ekisimu a na wo ye MPP ni wo be yi wani say wo ba be patro wo ene ye be ye wo be service first wo ene ye be chiro because just wo ye mambofo wo ba se wo be say no ye dru ba bi a emabunu governance ye de ye ho achi wo ye mabunu na wo ba bi a fa ho gym hard work na ye ne dedication me ni obi ate me ntaki Kanokwe no dinikwe na ni emoa won't to be ot say boy wo de ni hye nzuma sese na obi